Hey guys, B Twice here. Today's Saturday, August 28th. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. We're going to be doing an update looking at the weekly and the daily charts of DraftKings stock. DraftKings stock, I did a video on last weekend talking about how I really liked it, and it looked like it was going to have a serious pop to the upside. It turned out that that was correct, and that DraftKings rallied this week. So now that we've seen this rally, so where is it going? So the RSI is a little starting to play peekaboo here on this weekly. It's popped above the downtrend line, which is a good thing. We just need to hold above it. And the MACD is starting to curl, and it also had a bullish cross. So that's a really, really good thing there. So what are we seeing so far? So it looks like we're in a 5 wave impulse up to find a primary wave one. And where are we in that? Well, we're in wave three of that. So it looks like wave three could take us somewhere around $70 a share based on the weekly time frame that we're seeing here. So DraftKings definitely still looks like it has some upside. And I think we'll probably be seeing this price target sometime here within these next couple weeks. So now let's take a look at the daily so we can get a better look at what we could potentially be seeing. Okay, so looking at the daily chart, let's talk about what we're seeing. So we had the pop up for a one, we pulled back for a two, and now it looks like we're putting in a 5 wave impulse. We had a one, we had a two. Ultimately, we went up and we got rejected at the 200-day moving average, which is right around the point of control and these volume shelf. We got rejected, so we got above the point of control. We were using that as support. We got rejected the 200-day, came down, caught support at the point of control again, and then ultimately we rallied huge off of it. So where are we going? Well, it looks like we hit a wave three top at 60, about 61 a share. We're pulling back for wave four, so we still could see some more downside to start off the week. And if we do, I would say that dips a buy. It could go as low as 56, somewhere in that ballpark. So if we get lucky enough to see that out of DraftKings again, I would get in because based upon the micro look on the daily, it looks like our price target will actually be 65. So the weekly chart is showing us the possibility of hitting 70. The daily is showing us based upon this impulse to the upside that we're seeing that maybe it'll be a little shallow that. So maybe our wave three top is going to end up being 65 a share. So somewhere in between 65 to 70. With that being said, there's still a lot of upside in DraftKings. I think it's at about 61 right now. And the fact that we should see a little bit of a downside dip, that dip will be a dip to buy. And then ultimately, we should be rallying up to between 65 to 70 a share, hopefully within these next couple weeks. So, all right, guys, if you like these videos, go ahead, hit like and subscribe.